Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Today we are going to talk about why your steering wheel vibrates, drivetrain, and engine fixes. Explained. Welcome back to Carhelpout.com, your local mobile mechanic service. Near me here, it's a simple way to get an independent, certified mobile mechanic service who will come or travel to you at any location at your convenience. Here's one most people don't consider. What if the issue isn't in your wheels but under the hood? When your engine mounts are worn or broken, you'll feel vibration at idle or during acceleration. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. On front-wheel drive vehicles, worn CV joints can cause rhythmic shaking. I had a viewer message me last month about a 2016 Honda Accord. He spent $400 on brakes, only to find out the vibration came from worn control arms. That's why it pays to know the full picture. So if your steering wheel is vibrating, don't ignore it. Start with the tires and work your way up. A quick inspection today could save you thousands tomorrow. A well-maintained car is a smooth ride through life. Ignore the signs and you're headed for a breakdown. Unknown car enthusiast. If this video helped you understand what might be wrong with your ride, smash that like button so more drivers can find this information. And hey, got a weird sound, shake, or shimmy in your car? Drop it in the comments, and we might cover it in a future video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. We're posting fresh car advice and repair guides every week. Drive smart, stay safe, and keep your ride rolling smooth. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.